Hi, hello, this is Giri, teaching 10th Mathematics, the chapter Statistics. Here is the annual academic calendar 2020 and 21, and this is the 4th week, 3rd video. In this video, we will learn the solutions of question number 5 and question number 6 of exercise 14.2. Dear children, here is question number 5. The following distribution gives runs scored and the number of batsmen. Find the mode of the data. I shall repeat. The following distribution gives the runs scored and the number of batsmen. Find the mode of the data. Here in this, the first row contains the runs scored and the second row contains the number of batsmen. The runs scored between 3000 to 4000, the number of batsmen is 4. And between 4000 to 5000, the number of batsmen is 18. And between 5000 to 6000, the number of batsmen is 9. Between 6000 to 7000, the number of batsmen is 7. And between 7000 to 8000, number of batsmen is 6. Between 8000 to 9000, number of batsmen 3. And in between 9000 to 10000, number of batsmen is 1. And in between 10,000 to 11,000, number of batsmen is 1. For this grouped distribution, you have to find the mode. As you know that there are 3 measures of central tendencies, isn't it? Very good. What are they? Arithmetic mean, mode and median. We already learned how to find the arithmetic mean in the previous exercise, that is 14.1. Now, in this exercise, we will learn how to find the mode. There is only one method to find the mode, but whereas there are 3 methods to find the arithmetic mean. Yes? Good. Now in order to find the mode, here you can consider the runs scored as classes. If you observe, the first row contains the runs scored by the batsman and the second row contains the number of batsmen. You can consider the runs scored by the batsman as classes and the number of batsmen may be taken as frequency. Very good. Now let us form a table now. In this, the first column is for classes and the second column is for frequency. The first class 3000 to 4000, the frequency is 4. 3000 to 4000, frequency is 4. And in between 4000 to 5000, the frequency is 18. In between 5000 to 6000, the frequency is 9. From 6000 to 7000, the frequency is 7. 7000 to 8000, frequency is 6. 8000 to 9000, frequency is 3. 9000 to 10000, the frequency is 1. And in between 10,000 to 11,000, the frequency is also 1. After drawing this table, now among all the given frequencies, you have to pick up the highest frequency. Here if you observe the frequencies are 4, 18, 9, 7, 6, 3, 1, 1. These are the frequencies. Among all these frequencies, what is the highest frequency? Good, 18 is the highest frequency. Now the class in which the highest frequency lies is called model class. Therefore, 4000 to 5000, this class is called model class. For this model class, the frequency is 18. Therefore, you can consider this 18 as F1. And the frequency above F1 is F0 or F0. And the frequency below F1 is F2. Therefore, F1 value is 18, F0 value is 4, and F2 value is 9. And at the same time, what is the lower boundary of the model class? We know that the class in which the highest frequency lies is called model class. That is 4000 to 5000, this class is model class. Now what is the lower boundary of the model class? Lower boundary of the model class is nothing but 4000, therefore L is equal to 4000. Now let us write the formula for mode and let us substitute these values. Good, dear children, what is the formula to find the mode? Mode is equal to, yes, very good. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. This is the formula to find mode, where L means lower boundary of the model class, which is equal to 4000. F0 is the frequency above the model class, that is 4, and F1 is the frequency of the model class or the highest frequency, 18, and F2 is the frequency below the model class, that is 9, and H means height of the class. Height of the class is nothing but the difference between any two successive lower boundaries or any two successive upper boundaries, which is equal to 1000. Now you substitute these values and simplify. Mode is equal to L means 4000 plus F1 minus F0. F1 minus F0 means 18 minus 4 divided by 2F1, that is 2 into 18, minus F0 minus 4 minus F2 minus 9 into H is 1000. This is equal to 4000 plus, what is 18 minus 4? Good, this is 14, divided by 2 18s, 36, minus 4 minus 9 is minus 13 into 1000. This is equal to 4000 plus 14 into 1000 is 14,000 divided by 36 minus 13 is 23. If we divide 14,000 with 23, you will get 608.7. Now you add 608.7 to 4000, so that the mode of the given data is equal to 4608.7. This is the mode of the given group data. Very good. Now, dear children, let us solve the next question, that is question number 6. Here is the question number 6. At a point, number of cars and the frequency is given. Find the mode of the data. I shall repeat. At a point, the number of cars and the frequency is given. Find the mode of the data. The number of cars between 0 to 10, the frequency is 7. And the number of cars from 10 to 20, the frequency is 14. And the number of cars from 20 to 30, the frequency is 13. The number of cars from 30 to 40, the frequency is 12. And the number of cars from 40 to 50, the frequency is 20. And the number of cars from 50 to 60, the frequency is 11. And the number of cars from 60 to 70, the frequency is 15. And the number of cars from 70 to 80, the frequency is 8. For this group of data, you have to find the mode, isn't it? Very good. Now, in order to find mode, only two columns are sufficient. The first column is for classes and the second column is for frequency. Now, in this case, from this data, you can consider the number of cars as classes and the frequency as frequency. Let us construct a table now. You see this. The first column is for classes and the second column is for frequency. The first class 0 to 10, the frequency is 7. 0 to 10, frequency is 7. 10 to 20, the corresponding frequency is 14. 10 to 20, frequency is 14. 20 to 30, frequency is 13. 20 to 30, frequency is 13. Next class 30-40, the frequency is 12. 30-40, frequency is 12. 40-50, frequency is 20. 40-50, frequency is 20. 50-60, frequency is 11. 50 to 60, frequency is 11. 60 to 70, the corresponding frequency is 15. 60 to 70, the corresponding frequency is 15. And the last class is from 70 to 80 and its corresponding frequency is 8. 70 to 80, the corresponding frequency is 8. After constructing this table, we pick up the highest frequency again. Here among 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15 and 8, the highest frequency is 20. Therefore, this 40-50 class is called model class, isn't it? The class in which the highest frequency lies is called model class. Good. Now this is the model class. Since it is the model class, the lower boundary L is equal to lower bound of the model class is nothing but 40. And F1 is the frequency of the model class, which is equal to 20. And F0 is the frequency above the model class, that is 12, and f2 is the frequency below model class, that is 11. Therefore, f1 value is 20, f0 value is 12, f2 value is 11, and L value is 40. Now let us write the formula to find the mode first of all. Good, just recollect what is the formula for mode. Nice. Mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. L means the lower bound of the model class 40, and f0 is the frequency above model class 12, and f1 is the frequency of the model class 20, and f2 is the frequency of the class below model class, that is 11. And h means the height of the class, that is the difference between any two successive lower boundaries or any two successive upper boundaries, which is equal to 10. Now substitute these values and simplify. Mode is equal to L value 40 plus f1 20 minus f0 minus 12 divided by 2f1 2 into 20 minus f0 minus 12 minus f2 minus 11 into h is 10. This is 40 plus 20 minus 12 is 8 divided by 2 into 20 is 40 minus 12 minus 11 is minus 23 into 10. This is 40 plus 8 tens 80 whole divided by 40 minus 23 17. Now if you divide 80 with 17, you may get 4.7. Now if we add 4.7 to 40, then mode of the given distribution is 44.7. Very good, children. Now all the video links of Introduction to Statistics and all the questions and solutions from 14.1 and 14.2 are provided in the description. You can click the video link and you can observe the videos. Thank you, one and all.